son. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Small Pound, back with another video on your head up. Alright, right now we're here at, what's the name of this place? Street Kart, Tokyo. Picking out costs. Old Clifford the Big Rig. Hey, this is the Mario Kart adventure, man. They got a bunch of carts downstairs right now. We're upstairs getting fitted. Getting fitted for the Cookie Monster. Nah. Let's see what we got. Winnie the Pooh. You look like an Eeyore, bro.
Me?
Yeah.
She already got that.
Who got that? You. What's your costume?
I don't know.
Get a car. There you go, right here. What was this one? This is the Monsters Inc. That one just feels warm, and it's kind of hot outside. It's November. Keep the waves. It's November, and November what? 8th, 10th. November 10th. You got Eeyore? That's lame. I don't know what I want. I think I want a villain, so I might do this Frieza. Because Frieza's more breathable anyway, if you look at the material. Yeah, I might have to be. Nah, I'm a Piccolo. Hey, Piccolo with it. And I got on my Namek shoes. What's up? Hey, Piccolo it is. Okay, Piccolo. What you got? Put on a costume.
Look.
Hey, get dressed.
Oh, if you Piccolo, I should be Frieza then.
Wow, so you can kill me?
I should be Frieza.
That's cool. Out here. Yo, get dressed. Hey, go ahead, Johnson. I'm not throttling so hard. Your shit throttling? Like the gain is up. This ain't got no power steering. Send me my stand. Yo! Bang. Why is it going so loud? The trim is up. There we go.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah, the turbo.
There we go.
Yeah, turbo.
Okay, guys. This position.
Is it all the way?
Oh, tiny.
Little Our turn. Hit the gas! Don't do that. Don't get smoked out here. Don't get smoked out here, cuz. Hey, let me...
Small pound on Instagram.
Small pound on Instagram. Here. Here. That was you? Did you hit it? A bird? No, it was already there. Lit. That's lit. That's so lit. Lit.
Bro.
Need for speed.
Yeah. We gotta use that.
Hey.
Because we're all like this. Yeah. We're going down the hill, we're like this.
Alright.
All pro is like this.
here drifting, son. Yeah. Hey, I drifted at the end. We lit. Everybody do a victory jump for camera. Ready? Jump. Victory jump. Shut your little ass up. Bro, how was it?
Oh, awesome. Hold on.
That was great. Hold on, good, good.
Hold up.
Okay, guys, that's it.
Okay. It's great.
Highlight of the year.
I thought she was speaking Arabic for a second. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, that was so lit. First of all, excuse the audio quality, but lit. Fire. Lit. Woo! Thank you. Yo, I drifted the cart at the end too. I was lit. Hey, so now they hating on me, and I ain't even do nothing because I was driving my cart.
Yo, we had straight turbo on here.
I didn't have no turbo, man. I had the regular cart. Everybody got their cart before me. Everybody. I was the last one because I was over there filming B-roll footage. Everybody got their cart. They don't put the juice in there and everything, and I just went and sat in a random cart.
Nah, yours had something special.
Don't even.
That sound when he first started.
What you mean?
He was like, come here.
Nah, and then mine was messed up at the beginning. I was like, I was like, yo, is this supposed to be? That was the actual tour guide's name, yo.
Get the turbo. Get turbo.
Okay, guys.
So
I
was like,
his name was Yo.
His name was. So I was like, hey, is this supposed to be vibrating like this? And then he came and turned it down. So my cart was throttled all the way down.
No,
I don't know what y'all was doing.
was
I don't know what y'all would. And then grandma over here.
Hey, it ain't my fault.
Nah, what you mean it's not your? Her feet could barely touch the pedals, first of all. So I'm gonna give you a bye. Especially you ain't had no excuse.
My knees.
Hey, he was on the cart. He was all squished up, and this one couldn't get close enough to the pedals. That's funny. Good times, man. Hey,
Great.
y'all come out. Definitely come out. All right, so check it out. That was Street Kart Tokyo. This location is in Shinkiba, and you can get the information from Facebook. So I actually booked it on Facebook. It was 90,000 yen. Well, it was 85,000 yen and then 500 yen extra for insurance. So if you have an international driver's license, an American passport, Japanese license, you should be good to go. That's all you need. But that was it, man. End of the vlog. Your boy Small Pound signing out. Hey, y'all say peace.
Peace.
Oh, that was